We will tell you the 8 money habits that will make you rich very quickly. We will also tell you a bonus money habit in the end, and that's really very important. Watch this entire video, or you may miss out some crucial details. Now let's start. Money habit number 1. Prioritize increasing your savings each month. It's easy to lose sight of the most important question that shapes our financial future when we get caught up in the details of personal finance. It is crucial to consider this as a top priority if you aim to achieve your financial objectives. It's not always easy to overcome it through hard work alone. It is important to note that spending all of your earnings will not lead to wealth, regardless of your income level. Set aside any other financial inquiries until you resolve this matter. Queries such as, which debts should be prioritized for repayment? What is the best way to allocate my funds? Which type of IRA should I choose, Roth or traditional? None of these matter unless you have sufficient funds available. Prioritize your efforts on increasing your income at the end of the month before proceeding with any other tasks. It is a highly reliable measure of your financial well-being and a strong predictor of future financial achievements. Money habit number 2. Keep a record of your expenses. One effective method for improving your spending habits is to closely monitor your expenses. Starting with a solid foundation is crucial when it comes to setting up a family budget and organizing your finances. This valuable advice, and is something I highly recommend to anyone embarking on this journey. Enroll in a budgeting app that effortlessly imports all of your transactions. Take just 5 minutes each week to carefully review your transactions from the past 7 days. It's important to consider not just the monetary value, but also the frequency of your expenses. Using this tool will provide you with valuable insights into your spending patterns and help you understand where your money is being allocated. You'll also discover the activities that bring you joy and those that you consider to be frivolous expenses based on your own judgment. If you're looking for an answer to the question, why am I unable to save money? This habit will assist you in finding the solution. To know more amazing money habits to get rich, just press the subscribe button and also the like button. Money habit number 3. Track your daily expenses to develop better financial habits. This is highly effective for my clients due to its simplicity. It's a straightforward concept. The more frequently we make purchases, the higher the chances of exceeding our budget. Instead of focusing on the amount of money you spend, shift your attention to the frequency of your spending. Need to refuel your vehicle? That's 1. Shall we head to the grocery store? That makes 2. Looking to make an online purchase? That's 3. Begin tracking your expenses regularly. If you're making purchases more frequently than necessary, it's likely that you're spending money on unnecessary items that you either don't truly value or don't end up using. Money habit number 4. Track your daily purchases. Impulse purchases often seem urgent at the time, but with a little patience, we often come to the realization that we can live without them, or at least, we don't need them immediately. Businesses have been striving for seamless transactions, making it incredibly simple to obtain desired items and make the necessary payments. Streamlined checkout process, secure credit card storage, convenient payment options, personalized email offers, effective social media campaigns, and accurate tracking mechanisms all contribute to a seamless shopping experience. It's important to approach grocery shopping with a sense of preparedness. We often end up acquiring unnecessary items while neglecting to obtain the essential ones. Once again, we find ourselves having to go food shopping and coming back with unnecessary items. Yet again, spending less frequently will result in lower expenses. It doesn't mean you're restricted from purchasing what you desire. If there's something you desire, you can still obtain it, as long as it's on the list. Money habit number 5. Consider the total cost rather than just the monthly payment. I don't think it's necessary to always pay in cash, but it's important to be cautious of monthly payments as they can be misleading and lead to financial difficulties. They manipulate our minds into perceiving the products as budget-friendly. Prior to committing to a monthly payment plan or buy now pay later option, it's important to consider whether you would still make the purchase if you had to pay for it in full right now. If the answer is negative, then it's best to refrain from making the purchase. This will assist you in avoiding what I refer to as payment stacking, which occurs when you begin accumulating numerous, affordable monthly payments. These payments, when combined, can become unaffordable and cause individuals to accumulate more debt than they initially planned. Consider the overall purchase price before making any financial decisions. It will provide you with significant relief from financial burdens. Financial habit number 6. Prepare in advance for unpredictable expenses. Irregular expenses can be quite challenging for budgeting and may leave individuals feeling discouraged. You can plan ahead for these irregular expenses since they occur annually. We simply overlook them. It always feels like holidays, birthdays, family vacations, and summer camps sneak up on us. However, it is important to develop a responsible financial routine by carefully considering your annual expenses and proactively planning for them. Money habit number 7. Direct your financial resources. Many individuals are stretched too thin. When attempting to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, it can significantly delay the completion of any individual task. If you're looking to establish a solid financial foundation by simultaneously prioritizing an emergency fund, retirement savings, college funds for your kids, credit card debt repayment, and increasing your auto payment, it may feel like you're juggling multiple responsibilities for an extended period of time. Stay focused and streamline your finances by tackling one task at a time. You'll experience a sense of accomplishment as you make steady progress and stay committed to your goals. Financial habit number 8. Practice living within your financial limits. Many individuals reach their 40s and may perceive themselves as being financially behind due to the phenomenon of lifestyle inflation. It occurs even to the most skilled individuals. There are numerous advantages to adopting a more financially responsible lifestyle, where you prioritize living within your means rather than constantly relying on each paycheck to cover your expenses and indulgences. If you aspire to have the possibility of retiring, it will necessitate you setting aside additional funds today for your future. If you're looking to expedite that timeline, it becomes crucial to maintain a significant gap between your earnings and expenditures. Stay vigilant when it comes to important financial choices such as purchasing a house or car. Additionally, it's crucial to monitor your daily expenses to avoid being overwhelmed by numerous small transactions. Money habit number 9. Enhance your savings rate with the 50-50 rule. Your savings rate is a crucial factor in determining your future financial success. It is the percentage of your income that you set aside for savings. Many individuals believe that saving 10% of their income is sufficient, while others have a fixed target savings rate of 15%. However, you can enhance your savings rate by following my 50-50 rule. Consider allocating a significant portion of any increases in income, such as pay raises, bonuses, or tax refunds, towards your current monthly savings. Take the remaining amount and feel free to use it as you wish. By adopting this approach, you can enjoy spending your money without any feelings of guilt, all while boosting your savings rate and accelerating your journey towards financial independence. The 50-50 rule is highly effective when you're in a relationship with contrasting spending habits, but there are few people who need to increase their income. They could do this by adopting passive income streams. You could subscribe to our channel to know the best passive income streams, or you could watch the video appearing on the right side.